Alright, good afternoon. Here's another video, part one of my vintage Barbie collection restoration. This is a Barbie collection from the 1980s, the kitchen. And I have all of the grates in a little drawer. And the door still opens and closes. Yes, it's very dirty, but that's part of the restoration process. We have the little kitchen island with the sink and a dishwasher, and I still have the two little trays that come out. I have the two stools. I have the kitchen island still with the burners and the oven with the grill still in it. Unfortunately, though, when I took it out of the box from my mom's house, this side was broken and missing, and it wasn't even in the box, which is pretty odd. So I don't know how this would break off and not be in the same box. But maybe in the restoration video, I can kind of MacGyver it a little bit. Find some kind of plastic that I can make to hold it up. On the other side of this is where the two stools would go. Has some faux drawer fronts that don't open. The freezer side doesn't open either, but it has a little water dispenser there. And I do have a bucket here of some of the original food items that did come with this set. There's a couple here, but there's a lot of stuff in here that I just collected that was miniature as a kid. And I will be showing that all off in the part 2 when I do the restoration. And I plan on styling this with some Barbies. So please like, subscribe, comment below, and stay tuned for the rest of this Barbie vintage restoration journey. Bye.